के बज गए हैं 8:45, पर अभी भी आप देख सकते हैं काफ़ी सनलाइट है बाहर. या इट्स क्वाइट नॉर्मल इन जर्मनी. In summer you have longer days. Welcome back to my channel. So this is Anurag and आज मैं शूट कर रहा हूँ मेरा फर्स्ट व्लॉग here in Germany. या काफ़ी लंबा समय हो गया है I haven't shoot. So today I just cleaned my room, so I thought why don't I give a short tour of my apartment here in Germany. So basically for the people who are new here on my channel, my name is Anurag. I come from Pune, Maharashtra, and मैं 8 months पहले यहाँ मूव हो गया हूँ जर्मनी में. I live here in Reutlingen. It's near Stuttgart. So as I said, like I'll give you a short tour today of my apartment. So here you can see this is my apartment. It's quite short, but yeah, I'm paying around 345 euros for this apartment. And it's shared, basically shared between 3 people. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं ये है मेरा वर्क स्टेशन. I have my laptop and screen all on this desk. ये है मेरे छोटे टॉयज. बेसिकली मैं रोबोटिक्स इंजीनियर हूँ, सो ये है मेरे रोबोट्स. और जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं ये है मेरा छोटा सा बेड. यहाँ मेरा है सब कपबोर्ड्स. छोटा रूम है पर या इट्स क्वाइट कोजी. ये आप देख सकते हो मेरा पूरा व्यू रूम का बाहर से देख सकते हो. ये कपबोर्ड दिया गया है तो बट it's quite big enough. I'll not show inside because it's totally messy. And here you can see my photo. This was given by my friends. These are my friends, my mom, dad. ये आप देख सकते हो ये है छोटा सा कपबोर्ड where I can keep my stuffs. या ये है मेरे भगवान. And yeah, this is a short fan. Yeah, it's quite hot here in Germany this summer, so I thought of buying a fan. Yeah, we also get a heater also, like it's here on the back side of my desk. And now let's go and see my common area. Here you can see I've got a vacuum cleaner. यहाँ पर और मेरे दोस्त रहते हैं. They are out of town currently. आप देख सकते हैं ये मेरा किचन एरिया. Yeah, it's quite little messy today, but yes, आप देख सकते हो ये इंडक्शन हिडन. आप देख सकते हो ये है मेरा ओवन. या जस्ट इग्नोर द डर्ट. ये है माइक्रो ओवन. ये है fridge. We actually have 2 fridge. This one is the another fridge. Yep. You can see we just have some decoration. This is our dining area. This is our washroom. Here some more cupboard. Here we have a lot of things. Here you can see this is our main entrance. Here it's already dark outside. देख सकते हो ये है मेरा surrounding. Like I stay directly on the ground floor, so it's quite easy for us to get towards the bus stop. There on that side I have my bus stop. If I go a little bit more walking towards there, you can see there is a supermarket on that side. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं ये हमारा पोस्ट बॉक्स. ये है मेरा नाम. सो इट इज़ नेसेसरी बिकॉज आप जानते हो जर्मनी में अभी भी पोस्ट से ही काम चलता है. यहाँ आप देख सकते हो हमें और एक कपबोर्ड दिया गया है to store our own food. Yeah, and आप जैसे कि यहाँ देख सकते हो यहाँ पर भी storage compartments to store all the plates. This is a beer glass, you can say. Yeah, it's common here in Germany. Some cups. Here also we have some space for storing. Here also, this is the best thing I have seen in Germany, the dishwasher. Yeah, it's quite common in India also, but yeah, it will reduce your task. And this is a heater. You can see we have a lot of heaters here. We have a heater at the entrance. We also have heater here, the common area. And so I'm back to my room. ये वीडियो काफ़ी छोटा रहेगा because I am shooting this for the first time. But yeah, I have decided to shoot many vlogs. I'll show my day in life in Germany. So जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, ये है मेरा पूरा अपार्टमेंट. भी हम जाते हैं केलर, where basically we have our washing machine and dryer. Basically it's common here in Germany, जहाँ आपको अंडरग्राउंड आपको स्टोरेज कंपार्टमेंट या फिर वॉशिंग मशीन, ड्रायर आप स्टोर कर सकते हो. सो लेट्स गो. मैं जा रहा हूँ अभी बेसमेंट. सो लेट्स ओपन दिस. This is the area where you can see we have a parking area. Here you can see we have a parking area. Isn't it awesome? Like you can park one car above other. So here you're going down केलर एरिया, जहाँ हमें स्टोरेज कंपार्टमेंट्स भी है, वेयर यू कैन स्टोर योर स्टफ्स. सो ये है हमारा अपार्टमेंट का स्टोरेज एरिया, देख सकते हो. Yeah, it's quite common here in Germany. Here we have one cycle also. So this is the storage compartment area for our apartment. So now we head towards the dryer and washing machine area. ये है हमारा ड्रायर एंड वॉशिंग मशीन. यहाँ पे हमारे पूरे अपार्टमेंट का लॉन्ड्री एरिया बोल सकते हैं. ये है हमारा वॉशिंग मशीन एंड दिस इज आवर ड्रायर. Yep, this is the laundry area. So these lights, those will turn off automatically after some time. So heading back towards my room. अभी बना रहा हूँ मैं रात के लिए खाना. एंड yeah, this is how, like, I'll be shooting a vlog soon, like how my day starts in the morning and ends in the evening. So I'm back in my room again. So you can say this was a short tour of my apartment. I would like to thank you all for watching this video till end, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next vlog. Bye.